Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 173 Duke. I guess she had a big backup in her basement. She had some other plumber come out. I guess they got it open. We got a bunch of water extraction done, and he believes there might be some kind of clog in the vent stack, in the roof vent. We're going to go ahead. She wanted to get a look in there and see if there's any clogs or what was that making it happen. So I'm going to inspect it starting here from the roof. She does have a clean out in the yard out there. But we're going to start here from the roof and make sure the stack ain't got anything in it. And then we'll be right back. Alright, so I got my camera on the roof here. We pushed out 165 feet. I've located this past the there's a yard clean out in the yard out there. And I'm past it now. I've located where my camera is. I can't push any further. I've been pushing some tissue along and whatnot, as you see. But we're going to go ahead and pull back, see what this line looks like. Got a bunch of roots right here. Bunch of roots growing in there. Possible. We'll go ahead and locate, mark where this is at. I'll be right back. Alright, I went ahead and located, marked this spot. I located this spot. She's got, like I said, she's got a yard clean out there. It's actually a 3-inch clay pipe, a 3-inch clay riser pipe, and it's kind of offset. You can't see the bottom of it from looking up above. But yeah, I located these roots right where it's at. It's 11 feet deep. Might recommend that riser pipe to be repaired with a 4-inch riser pipe, and that way, you know, they can remove these roots, and that way we get a big cutter in there for the future and able to go both ways. Make sure it's cleaned out properly. So far, everything else looks pretty good. Got a turn here. And this is where it comes to cast iron. So this is where it turns in a clay pipe from cast iron underneath the house. So it's cast iron. Seemed to be intact when I was going through. When I was pushing out. Line cutting in there at the top. Turn in a Y. Wine is turning in wine there. Another line wine in. Here we are at the bottom of the stack. Heavy scaling on the stack here, but nothing blocking it. Here we are at the roof. So I'll run down there. I'll be right back. Alright, so here we are at the riser pipe. It's obviously a T. They got a big ball of roots in there. But it's a 3-inch pipe, so you're only able to run a 3-inch cutter, and this pipe is offset, so it's kind of hard to see the bottom. Run this. I'll be right back. Alright, so here we are at the main. About 78 feet. You see, you got a little small root growing in there, nothing big. See, all this is pretty straight. And here we are at the riser pipe. So there's a pretty good amount of roots in here. Throughout the years they've been trying to clean it out, but from the basement stack it's probably about 130 feet, 150 feet, and you're only limited to a small cutter. So they've been cutting small holes through them roots throughout the years, but I believe they're starting to take over a lot more. Like I said, I located starting about a foot from this riser pipe, and then right here at the riser pipe there's still some there. Like I said, I try cable it out, and I try to get a decent cutter through there. So I'm gonna try a cable again. We're gonna see if we can't move these roots out of here. Be right back. Alright, so I tried running a decent sized cutter through here. I ran the biggest ones I could find, or could just get down in here. I'm going towards the house now. I'm gonna pull it back. Oh, we got some water running. I got them running water for me. So I pull it back. You'll see there's a good majority left there. Yeah, where these roots are, it's just hard. I can't get them all out. Probably recommend that this riser pipe to be repaired here. Them roots removed, and a 4-inch riser pipe installed, so in the future they can get a big cutter through here. So see, there's a bunch of roots growing in right there. So I was able to cut a small hole through them. Yep. Yeah, it's all going towards the house. So I said it's 11 feet deep. So we'll submit it and see if anybody will do anything about it. If not, then that's what you got. Alrighty, thank you.